Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix 2026-03 preview update KB5079391 or 262.00.8116 not installing on Windows level update. In this video, seeing before you are begin, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. First step, services. So we can need Windows search bar. So type services. We can click to open. Then scroll down, find Windows Update service and select and right click on the Windows Update. Then go to the properties. Then here you can see if the service status is stopped, just start button click to change. Once it changed, then hit the apply and OK to close it. After that, come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Once it restart, then check the Windows update. Sometimes this method work it, then try it. If this try to it does not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So go to the your Windows search bar and type cmd, right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then type sfc, give the space slash scan now, then hit the enter. After that, wait, this process will take some time, so it will finish it. Then you go to that start menu again, restart your system, then your problem should be fixed. These steps try to sometimes work it now, so just try it. Then I will skip it, then go to the next step, then delete corrupted files. So we need file explorer, so click to open, then go to the local disk C, then find Windows folder, double tap to open, then scroll down, find software distribution folder, then open the software distribution, selected all folders. You can select the all folders, then right click on it, then choose the delete to delete all folder. Don't worry, it is safe. Just click to delete all folder. Once it delete, then come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to relaunch the your Windows update, recheck it. Then your problem fix it. It is start automatically from beginning. So if this try to sometime does not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot. Troubleshoot Windows update. So we need Windows search bar and type settings. We can click to open, then go to that system, click on the troubleshoot, then you can select the other troubleshoot. Then here you can see find Windows update option, then click on the run. Once it click to troubleshoot your problem, if this try to, your problem should be fixed. Then come to back, then restart your system, then your problem should be fixed. I think I will help it for you. And if this method working or not working, comment section go to comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.